Okay, students, welcome back to Nanda's Easy Learning. In the last video, we have talked about sucrose, that is the disaccharides. In today's video, we will take another two example of disaccharides, that is maltose and lactose. Okay, so let us start with maltose. Now, this maltose is another disaccharides, and you know that disaccharides means those which form two monosaccharides on hydrolysis. So, maltose give two monosaccharides, and what monosaccharides it will give? It will give that monosaccharide from which it is made of. So, maltose is made of alpha D glucose. In earlier my videos, we have seen the structure of alpha D glucose. With that, let us start with making. Okay, but before that, we will see what are the characteristics of maltose. So, maltose is disaccharide made up of alpha D glucose. Secondly, it is having C1C4 linkage. We already know that disaccharides consisting of two monosaccharides are binded together with the C1C4 linkage. Linkage means which binds the monosaccharides. Okay, and that linkage is through oxygen by the removal of water, so it is called as glycosidic linkage. Another properties of maltose is that it is a reducing sugar. We have seen the meaning of reducing sugar. Reducing sugar means which give positive tolerance test and which give positive failing test. As you know that when it is treated with tolerance reagent, what is tolerance reagent? It is the ammonical solution of silver nitrate. When the reducing sugar is treated with tolerance reagent, we will get the shiny silver at the wall of the test tube. That is called as the positive tolerance test. If we add the failing solution A and B, we will get red precipitate, which will be called as the positive failing test. Okay. Now, here we are going to see the structure. So here I have drawn the structure, but now I will show you how to make it easy and how to go for making the structure. For a plain board, you have to draw only the structure. In the structure, you have to only draw this. But if you don't know how to make this, you have to mug up everything. So instead of mugging up the things, we will go how to write this structure. Okay. So let us start with now. Here first of all we will write the structure of alpha D glucose. Okay, so because it is the glucose, it is having the 6 membered chain. One of the all member is oxygen. Oxygen is bind to the first carbon and fifth carbon. So this is first, second, fourth, fifth, and this one is sixth. Okay, this is the sixth carbon. And this is downward, fourth one, third one is upward, then second one is again downward, and now because it is alpha D, okay, alpha D what it is? Alpha D is the configuration of hydroxyl with 1, where in the alpha structure you will find that OH will be on the downward side. Okay, so this is one molecule of alpha D. Let us make the another molecule with the same. Now both monosaccharides are same. So we are going to draw the structure. This is again alpha. This is carbon 1. This is carbon 2. This is carbon 3. This is carbon 4. And this fifth carbon is binded to the first carbon with the oxygen. And this is CH2OH. Now what linkage we have seen? We have seen that the linkage is C1C4 linkage. Okay, so because it is a C1C4 linkage, what it means? It means that in a structure, the first carbon of one alpha D glucose binds with the fourth carbon. So here there will be the C1C4 linkage. There will be the minus H2O. ओके यहाँ से H2O निकल जाएगा तो हमें प्रोडक्ट क्या मिलेगा? वी विल गेट द प्रोडक्ट. नाउ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ माल्टोस. तो माल्टोस का स्ट्रक्चर कैसे होगा? लेट अस राइट हियर. नाउ वी हैव टू राइट द स्ट्रक्चर टुगेदर. ओके, सो अगेन वी विल मेक 2 अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज. Now first I will make it and then I will draw the binding. This linkage I will show in last because this is alpha D. This is the first, this is second, this is third, this is the first and fourth, and here is the glycosidic linkage. ठीक है, you can see here this is first and fourth, this is the C1 C4 linkage, okay, and this will be the fifth carbon CH2 OH. Here also the same, OH OH, then this one is the fourth of first alpha D glucose, and this is the structure. Because this is disaccharide, we don't have to show the linkage here, है ना. Polysaccharides में we can, but this is the structure of maltose. Okay, if you try this, it will be very easy to draw the structure of maltose. Okay, so this is the another disaccharide. Let us start with the lactose now. ठीक है, तो we will see another disaccharide, that is lactose. Okay, so this is the lactose one. Now let us start with the lactose here. Here another disaccharide is lactose. Again the definition is same, but now what are the monosaccharides of lactose? You can see here beta D galactose and beta D glucose. Okay, so here you can see there are two different monosaccharides. ठीक है, one is galactose and other one is the glucose, and both are beta. Okay, then it is a reducing sugar. As I told just now, reducing sugar is that sugar which give positive Tollens test and positive silver ammonical, means Tollens state it give positive. ठीक है, now let us start with this structure. Here I have drawn the structure, but how I got the structure, let us go. As I told कि if you practice it from drawing the monosaccharide, the topic will become very easy. ठीक है, so first of all we will draw the structure of galactose and glucose. Okay, so to make the structure of galactose, अब galactose और glucose में क्या फर्क है? ठीक है, so glucose we have repeated many a times, so let us start with, first of all I will show you the structure of glucose. Now again, just now we have drawn the structure of glucose, so I will make the structure of glucose. Now first of all I will draw the second carbon, this is the third carbon, this is the fourth carbon, and this is the fifth and sixth carbon. Okay, this is 1 and 5 linkage. ठीक है, now you know that this is beta D glucose. Now because it is beta D glucose, here OH will be on upper side. Okay, तो ये हो गया बीटा डी ग्लूकोज. अब ग्लूकोज और गैलेक्टोज में क्या फ़र्क है? वी विल सी द ग्लूकोज एंड गैलेक्टोज में फ़र्क क्या है. Children, glucose and galactose are differing at the hydroxyl group configuration of fourth. ठीक है, ये ग्लूकोज का स्ट्रक्चर है, अब हम लोग गैलेक्टोज का बनाएंगे. ठीक है, अब क्योंकि ये बीटा ग्लूकोज और बीटा गैलेक्टोज है, इनका C1 कॉन्फ़िगरेशन सेम रहेगा. ग्लूकोज का C1 कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है? OH इज अपर साइड. तो गैलेक्टोज में भी, बीटा गैलेक्टोज में कार्बन 1 का हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप ऊपर रहेगा. ठीक है, दूसरा भी वैसे ही रहेगा. ठीक है, दैट इज डाउनवर्ड. ठीक है, इसके जैसा. उसके बाद थर्ड भी वैसे ही रहेगा. यू सी द सिमिलैरिटी बिटवीन द ग्लूकोज एंड गैलेक्टोज. Now the question is, here this is the fourth carbon of glucose. There you can see OH hydroxyl group is on downward side. Here the difference is, here OH is above. ठीक है, OH is on the above side, that means it is on the left hand side, and this is the fifth carbon. Rest of structure is same. ठीक है, so this is beta D galactose. तो galactose and glucose, the difference is at fourth hydroxyl group configuration of glucose and galactose. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे लिंकेज क्या देखिए अपन ने? C1 ऑफ गैलेक्टोज एंड C4 ऑफ ग्लूकोज. ठीक है, माने स्ट्रक्चर बनाते वक्त हमें दिस इज द कार्बन 1 ऑफ गैलेक्टोज एंड दिस इज द कार्बन 4 ऑफ दिस बीटा डी ग्लूकोज. ठीक है, इनके बीच में लिंकेज है. ठीक है, दिस लिंकेज यू कैन सी. यहाँ पे H2O निकलेगा. हियर इट विल बी माइनस H2O. एंड व्हाट विल बी द स्ट्रक्चर देन? Structure will be, draw the structure here. Rest of structure will remain as it is. This is the fourth carbon which will be on left hand side, that's why above. ठीक है, third carbon will be above, second will be down एंड फर्स्ट. यहाँ पे लिंकेज बन रही है, पर लिंकेज कहाँ से बन रही है? ऊपर से, माने यहाँ का बीटा हाइड्रोक्सिल इज मेकिंग विद द फोर्थ डाउनवर्ड. सॉरी, ये नहीं आएगा, दिस विल बी जस्ट द लिंकेज, ये लिंकेज हो जाएगी. ठीक है, एंड देन हियर द स्ट्रक्चर विल बी. ठीक है, ये स्ट्रक्चर बनेगा. यहाँ पे ये ओ आ जाएगा. यहाँ पे अब ये बीटा है तो दिस विल रिमेन एज इट इज. दिस वॉज द फोर्थ कार्बन. सो हियर इट विल बी एच, हियर एच, and it will be CH2OH. Remaining will be, here it is OH, here it is OH, H. Children, this is the structure. इस linkage को हम लोग बोलेंगे beta link. And why we will call it as a beta link? It will be called as a beta link because here beta galactose and beta glucose were their monosaccharides. So this linkage is called as the C1C4 beta link. ठीक है, so this is only the structure, student, which I have shown here. You can see the structure here. This is the structure of galactose where fourth carbon configuration is different. ठीक है, in galactose fourth carbon is above, hydroxyl group is above, and in glucose it is down. ठीक है, और C1C4 में linkage है. So that's it for this video. I hope I got successful in clearing your doubts. Again I will tell you, you just practice by writing, see the video, you will get the clear concepts. Thank you.